Hey guys, me and Matthew, we went to Harbor Freight because it's a little cold to be working in the garage with no heat. And as you see, we bought the heater for top of a propane. It's a dual coil, and we'll see how it works. So, let me open it up, we'll see what we got. It was pretty cheap, and then they sent me a coupon via text, and it was a little even cheaper. Comes with directions, the mounting bracket. Looks like it bolts together. Jonathan, would you get me a Phillips screwdriver, please? Thank you. Let's see. Let's see how it goes instead of guessing. That's what the directions are for. And what it says, it goes just how I thought it did. Pause it. The reason I paused is because the cages were a little loose, so I took my pliers and I bent the tabs down on them to keep them more secure. Otherwise, the only tools I used was a 5/16 nut driver and a Phillips to tighten the bracket together. I looked for my propane tank, and it was empty. So, don't tell the wife, but I'm gonna steal the propane tank from the barbecue. Come on. Good thing it's cold out. I'll be able to exchange it before the nice weather comes and we're barbecuing. Back to the heater. So from the direction, it says I mount it like this, tighten the set screw in, and that keeps it nice and steady. Bring this down, screw it on. Turn the gas on. And now I have to read the directions. Oh, that turns it up. Well, let's go back to the directions and see how we ignite them. I have to get a lighter. John, would you get me a barbecue lighter, please? Alright, give me the torch, it's fine. Pause it, pause it. Alright guys, what you gotta do is open the valve about halfway. Light lighter, hold this in. hold this knob in until, stay over there please, you're in front of a fire. Now it stays lit. Now you do the same thing with the other one. Now it's lit. You hold it until it stays ignited. And they're ignited. Now ideally you want this in the position where you can do it. I just did it so I could show you. But see, it has a tip over feature, so it went out.
Yeah, it's like, you might need more, but.
It has to be on the right angle.
Okay.
Alright, it's lit. That's it. Puts off pretty good heat. I don't know how long it'll last, but I'm pretty happy with it as of right now.
So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.